phone. The lady just called me and tell me that she nobody help me. All because of this girl. Me not do you nothing, me never did. And you just use the internet to kill me. People use the internet to kill me. Me not do you nothing, laddie, and me look about you baby them in June. Till October when you come from England. You just take the penny them and start treat me that way again. And me, and mommy, and me do it. Nobody not do it. And me do it just make me get a little help. Me throw the things them out of my house and I wait to get the help.
Princess, calm down. Calm down. And listen to me. I want you to listen to me. No, calm down. Take a moment. Take a moment. Take a moment. Take a little moment for me, please. And calm down, because I don't want to hear say anything happen to you. This is Sunshine. You listen to me?
Yes.
Sunshine is fed up and mad and upset. Yes. She's fed up, she's upset, she's mad, and she can't take the disrespect and the bullshit and the fuckery because Mackerel is speaking about her husband, her child, and speaking about her. Remember, nobody going to like that. Nobody going to want that. So Sunshine is just upset. That's why she called you. Yes. I am going to speak to Sunshine, and they're still going to help you. What I need you to do is calm down. Sunshine is not the type of person who just pissed off, upset, mad, tired, fed up.
Sorry, I'm
she knows it's not you. Listen to me. She knows it's not you, but you see this internet thing, it's terrible. And this internet is terrible. And you have to understand that.
Blinga.
Miss, I know.
Yeah. All right, Blinga. Show them the ticket we're buying, no Blinga. And show them our visa, no Blinga. Why you show them to buy the ticket, you know?
That's why.
Show them the visa, you know, Blinga. Because them say you pick up for me. I know say you be fair. When you now go with them, why you forgo? Them go to that. All right, Miss Princess. Mommy, my mother have been dragging the media. My cousin them a call, my sister them a call, my son a call me. You hear that? And for she a drag my mother in media and she's nobody to drag my mom. Understandable. Look here, Miss Princess. I have done you anything wrong?
No, miss, you couldn't do me wrong. I'm here crying because you go stop help me.
All right.
You couldn't do me wrong.
Right. So I have a man what want to furniture. Hold on, Miss Princess. Hold on, Miss Princess.
Princess, stop the crying.
Princess, hold on, Blinga. Because I deal with you before you bring nobody in the box. Because nobody not steal in the box in the Blinga. You understand me? So I come, respect you as a mother. Because I come from your place. And I always just say one Blinga and nobody can stop that. So I'm going to set here, Blinga. People call me down and them just ring off my phone and say, Sunshine, do not stop help her. My cousin called me, she mad, she upset. She said, my woman, go on where she go. Because who in the media drag you? And nobody in the media drag you. And these people no realize, say, I help the woman. Just like when I helped 2 man last night laying on bed. Why them not scream record that? When we get 1,800 for one last night, the night before we get $1,200, them buy material. If them watch the live, them can come in the box, come tell a Blinga. A little girl who have 17-year-old guy, Excel College, and a she of there look out for her father, Blinga. She have to wash, cook, clean. Give her father a bed shower, Blinga. Right? She want a bedroom. And I contribute money for buy her block, buy steel, cement and block and everything, Blinga. I always them girl if you come class me on the media. Them girl know my lifestyle. My mother a class. My sister them a class. My family them a class. I owe them dirty girl, Blinga. I want some nasty girl with them throat well done out. Them throat cancel. People, me sorry. Me respect you know. And me I tell you know me truth. Me cup full. And me tired of this crossbite.
Alright.
This cockroach. Where I can call up my name, we know about my husband, girl. We know about my husband, me know. The clocks where you buy, give a man, the PlayStation and the home at 50,000 with a gross little girl. And your mother suffer. And your mother suffer.
Alright, Sunshine.
PlayStation, girl.
Sunshine, listen.
PlayStation. 35,000 of clocks, girl. I want the thing coming on my inbox by you, girl.
Sunshine, listen. Sunshine, listen to me. Listen to me, Sunshine.
One tear, girl.
Helping come with
Lord
this.
your mother and make your mother get help and watch your mother strive.
Alright, the helping come with this, Sunshine, the classing and everything. But me no want you to stop. Make the lady go on through.
Me nah go stop Blinga call me down and them a call me. I would donate to her and beg me. I just say alright then. Since them call me say alright, but Blinga, me want you show them our visa. And me want you show them our ticket. Cause a joke thing run cause me have some great down and me have immigration. Me have lawyer, me have judge, me have doctor. Cause me make sure you use my content and say welcome to TikTok Duns College. Where you find all of the Duns people.
Princess, stop the crying.
We're not talk about people.
Princess, you have to understand what Sunshine comes from.
Una black woman blessing. Me not tell no box I make no get a class. My mother upon the media.
They not block the blessing your Sunshine.
I want to the people. Una for watch greatness. Una for watch greatness. We know about my husband. We know about my mother. We know about my family, little girl. We don't know and then you run up and down on a ball and say people are threatening you. Who are threatening you? You know, say you are push violence and crime, girl. And the person them will push you. If you do something what is wrong, big and me I love you show the people them, you know. Me I love you show them our ticket, you know.
Me I deal with it. Me I deal with it.
You know. Me send go to that woman here, you know. Ask her no Blinga. The team send Dolly, the donor them send Dolly go clean her place. And Dolly said she don't want no money. And I said, Dolly, take it. Because you work you do.
Yeah, she said she don't want
what I want to say to you now, Sunshine, is Dolly now, me just give Dolly one career. When you're done one of them nights, you keep
help her, Blinga.
You keep